Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful financial tips that people around the world use to save money, reduce stress, and build long-term wealth, even if they're starting from zero. These are simple, beginner-friendly steps that work for students, employees, business owners, and freelancers in any country. So let's jump right in. Tip 1. Track your money. Most people know they need to save, but they don't know where their money is going. If you don't track it, you can't control it. Use any simple method. A phone note, Excel, Google Sheets, free apps, even paper. When you start tracking every rupee, dollar, or euro, you'll automatically reduce 20–30% of wasteful expenses without even trying. Tip 2. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. This rule works worldwide. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investing. If your income is low, start with 10% savings. The important thing is consistency. Tip 3. Build a 3–6 month emergency fund. This is one of the strongest protections in personal finance. When emergencies happen, job loss, medical issues, repairs, this fund saves your life. Start small. Save $1 a day or 100 rupees a day and grow slowly. Tip 4. Automate your savings. When money enters your account, send a portion automatically to savings or investment. Why automation works? No stress, no overthinking, no temptation to spend. It's a psychological trick, and it works everywhere for everyone. Tip 5. Control your silent expenses. These are expenses that look small but destroy your monthly budget. Delivery fees, extra subscriptions, unplanned snacks, online impulse buying, daily small purchases. When you eliminate these, your monthly savings increase automatically. Tip 6. Start investing early. You don't need to be rich to invest. You become rich because you invest. Beginner options worldwide. Index funds, mutual funds, government bonds, robo-advisors, fractional shares, gold savings, fixed deposits for low risk. Even $5 or 500 rupees a week builds wealth over years. The secret is, start small, stay consistent, grow big. Tip 7. Learn the difference between assets and liabilities. Most people stay poor because they buy liabilities. Wealthy people buy assets. Asset puts money in your pocket. Investments, skill development, side business. Liability takes money from your pocket. Unnecessary loans, expensive gadgets, lifestyle inflation. Buy more assets. Reduce liabilities. Simple rule. Big results. Tip 8. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but most consumer debt destroys financial stability. Dangerous types of debt. Credit cards, high-interest loans, personal loans for lifestyle, paying EMI for non-essential items. Use the 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something expensive, wait 24 hours. If you still want it, then consider it. Tip 9. Build multiple income streams. One income is risky in today's world. Most financially strong people have 2–5 income streams. Worldwide beginner-friendly income ideas. Freelancing, YouTube, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, part-time delivery work, small online businesses. Investing for monthly returns. Start with 1. Grow slowly. One extra income can change your entire financial life. Tip 10. Develop a wealth mindset. Wealth starts in mind before it shows in the bank. Daily habits of successful money managers. They plan. They learn. They invest consistently. They avoid comparison. They stay patient. They make small improvements every day. If you improve 1% each day, your life changes completely in 1 year. Bonus tip. Learn continuously. Money is a skill. The more you learn about saving, budgeting, and investing, the richer you become. Watch financial channels like this one, read books, listen to podcasts, keep learning.